and welcome back to Happy English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Leela.
Hi, Leela. It's so good to be here today. How are you?
I'm great, Tom. Thank you. How are you?
I am a little hungry, Leela.
Hungry already?
Yes, I'm thinking about food. Lots of food. A big hamburger, fries, a big soda. Yum.
Wow, Tom, that sounds delicious. You are making me hungry now, too.
Sorry, but it is a good idea for our podcast today.
Oh, that's a perfect idea. Let's talk about food. Let's talk about going to a restaurant.
Yes, a restaurant. Going to a restaurant and speaking English. It can be easy and fun.
Exactly. It's a great way to practice English. So today we will talk about English conversation at a restaurant.
That's a great topic. But first, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel, Happy English.
Yes, and give this video a like if you are hungry like Tom, and share it with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
Yes, it does. Thank you, everyone.
So, Tom, a restaurant. You are at the door of the restaurant. What do you do? What do you say?
Good question. I open the door and I see a person.
Right. This person is the host or the waiter. You smile and say hello or hi.
Hello. Simple. I can do that.
Yes, you can. Then you need a table, so you can say, a table for two, please.
Ah, a table for two, please, if it is me and you.
Exactly. Or a table for three, please, if you have another friend. So a table for, and then the number of people.
That's right. A table for one, please, if you are alone.
Perfect. Then the waiter says, this way, please, or follow me, please.
And I follow the waiter to my table.
Yes, you sit down at the table, and what is the first thing you want?
The food.
Close. Before the food, you need the menu.
Ah, yes, the menu.
And you can ask, can I have the menu, please?
Can I have the menu, please? Very polite.
Yes, please is very important.
Okay, so I open the menu. I see starters, main courses, desserts, drinks.
Very good. Starters are small food, like soup or salad.
I like soup. Tomato soup is great.
Me too. Then we have main courses, the big food.
Like chicken, pasta, or my hamburger.
Exactly. And dessert is sweet food, like cake or ice cream.
Chocolate cake is my favorite.
Great choice. And drinks, water, juice, soda.
Easy. I am ready to order.
A waiter comes and says, are you ready to order?
I say, yes, I am.
Perfect. Now you can say, I would like
the hamburger, please.
Excellent. Or you can say, I'll have
the hamburger, please. I like that.
Good. Let's practice. I'm the waiter. Hello, welcome.
Hello. A table for one, please.
This way, please. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like chicken, please.
And a drink?
I'll have water, please.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
All right, Tom, that role play was really fun. And I think our listeners can now imagine themselves in a real restaurant speaking English with confidence.
Yes, exactly. And the more you practice these simple conversations, the more natural it will feel. At first, maybe you feel a little nervous, but that's totally normal.
Absolutely. Nervous just means you are learning something new, and that's a good thing. The key is to keep going.
Right. And let's add one more situation. What if something is not correct with your order?
Oh, that's a very important situation. Maybe the waiter brings the wrong food.
Yes, so what can you say in that case?
You can stay polite and say, excuse me, I think this is not my order.
That's perfect. Very polite and clear.
Or you can say, I ordered chicken, but this is fish.
Exactly. Simple and direct. No need for complicated sentences.
And remember, being polite is always important, even if there is a problem.
Yes, because usually the waiter wants to help you. It's just a small mistake.
Right. And most of the time, they will say something like, oh, I'm sorry, and fix it quickly.
So no stress. Just speak calmly and clearly.
Another useful situation. What if you are ready to leave quickly?
Ah, good one. Then you can say, can I have the bill, please? I'm in a bit of a hurry.
Very nice. In a bit of a hurry means you don't have much time.
Exactly. And again, simple English works best.
So, Tom, what do you think is the most important thing to remember in all these situations?
I would say confidence and simplicity.
I agree. You don't need perfect grammar, you just need clear and polite communication.
Yes, even short sentences like water please or the bill please are totally okay.
And the more you use English in real life, the faster you improve.
Exactly. Practice doesn't only happen in books, it happens in real conversations.
So next time you go to a restaurant, try at least one sentence in English.
Yes, even one small sentence is a big step.
And remember, small steps add up.
They really do.
Also, quick reminder for everyone listening. If you are enjoying this episode and learning something new,
Make sure to subscribe to the Happy English channel.
and don't forget to hit the like button, it really helps us create more useful lessons for you.
And share this episode with your friends who are learning English too.
Because learning together is always more fun.
Exactly, and we love seeing your progress.
All right, Tom, should we give one last mini practice to our listeners?
Great idea.
Okay, everyone, repeat after me. A table for two, please.
Nice. Now, can I have the menu, please?
Good. And one more. I would like a pizza, please.
Perfect. And finally, can I have the bill, please?
Amazing. If you can say these 4 sentences, you can already survive in a restaurant in English.
And that's a big win.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep using English in your daily life.
Because step by step, you are improving.
And we are always here with you on your English journey.
Amazing.
And you know what, Leela? I think this is the moment where many learners realize something important.
What's that?
That English doesn't have to be complicated to be useful. You don't need long, difficult sentences to communicate in real life.
Yes, that's such a powerful idea. Sometimes learners think, oh, I need perfect grammar, I need big vocabulary. But actually, simple English works in most daily situations.
Exactly. Imagine you're in a restaurant. You don't need to say a long speech. You just need clear, polite phrases.
Right, like I would like, can I have, excuse me. These are your best friends.
Yes, your survival phrases.
I like that, survival phrases, because with just a few of them, you can handle many situations.
And not only in restaurants, also in cafes, hotels, shops, even when traveling.
Exactly. So today's lesson is not just about restaurants, it's about confidence in real life.
Let's go a little deeper. What about making your order more specific?
Ah, good idea. For example, instead of just saying, I would like a burger, you can add details.
Like what?
You can say, I would like a cheeseburger, please, or I would like a chicken burger.
Oh, and maybe no onions, please.
Yes, that's very useful. No onions, please, or no cheese, please.
Or even with extra cheese, please.
Now that sounds delicious.
Haha, yes. And these small details make your English more natural.
And also more personal. You're not just ordering, you're expressing your preference.
That's a great word, preference.
Yes, preference means what you like or what you choose. So, for example, my preference is tea, not coffee.
Exactly. Or in a restaurant, my preference is grilled chicken.
Nice. Now, let's imagine another situation. You are not ready to order yet.
Ah, yes, that happens a lot.
So, what do you say?
You can say, I need a few more minutes, please.
Very polite, or we're not ready yet.
Yes, simple and clear.
And the waiter will understand and come back later.
Exactly, no pressure. Now let's talk about something interesting, asking for recommendations.
Oh, I love that. That's when you ask the waiter, what do you recommend?
Yes, because sometimes the menu is big and you don't know what to choose.
So you can say, what do you recommend?
Or what is popular here?
Very good. And the waiter might say, our chicken pasta is very popular.
And then you can say, okay, I'll have that.
Simple and easy decision.
This also makes your conversation more natural and interactive.
Yes, you're not just reading, you're communicating.
Now let's think about drinks again, because drinks are important.
Very important. What if you don't want ice?
Oh, good one. You can say no ice, please.
Or if you want lemon in your water?
Water with lemon, please.
Perfect. See? Very small changes, but very useful.
And these small phrases help you feel more comfortable in real situations.
Exactly. Now let's imagine you are very happy with your food.
That's the best situation.
Yes, so how do you express that?
You can say, this is really good.
Or, I love it.
Or, it's amazing.
Nice. And if the waiter asks, is everything okay?
You can say, yes, everything is perfect.
That makes the waiter happy too.
Yes, because good feedback is always nice.
Now, let's flip the situation. What if the food is not so good?
That's a bit tricky.
Yes, but still important.
You can say, excuse me, this is a bit cold.
Very polite. Or, this is too salty.
Good, and again, no need to be rude.
Exactly. Always calm and respectful.
Because communication is not only about words, it's also about attitude.
That's a great point.
Now let's talk about confidence again.
Yes, because confidence is key.
Many learners understand English, but they are afraid to speak.
That's very common.
Why do you think that happens?
I think people are afraid of making mistakes.
Yes, that's true.
But mistakes are part of learning.
Exactly. Every mistake is a step forward.
And in real life, people don't expect perfect English.
They just want you to understand you.
Right. Communication is the goal, not perfection.
So if you say, I want burger, it's not perfect, but people understand.
Yes, and over time you improve, like, I would like a burger.
That's progress.
Little by little.
Exactly.
Let's give our listeners a small challenge.
I like that idea.
Okay, everyone, here's your challenge. Next time you go to a cafe or restaurant,
Use at least one English sentence.
even if it's just thank you or can I have water, please?
That's enough.
Because action builds confidence.
And confidence builds fluency.
Exactly.
And don't forget, you can also practice at home.
Yes, role play is very powerful.
You can practice with a friend, a family member, or even alone.
Yes, even in front of a mirror.
That might feel funny at first.
But it works.
It really does.
Because you train your mouth to speak English.
And your brain becomes faster.
Exactly. So don't wait for a perfect moment.
Start with small moments.
Like ordering food.
Or saying hello.
Or asking for the menu.
These small actions create real progress.
And that's what Happy English is all about. Simple, practical English for real life.
Yes, learning that you can actually use.
Not just theory, but real communication.
And step by step, you become more confident.
And more natural.
And more fluent.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Lila, I think today's episode really shows one important truth. English is not something you finish, it's something you use.
Yes, Tom, and the more you use it in real situations, the more natural it becomes. Even something as simple as ordering food can change your confidence.
Exactly. And if you remember just a few phrases from today, like I would like, can I have, or the bill please, you are already ready for real-life English.
And don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are not the end, they are part of the journey.
Right. Every mistake is just another step closer to fluency.
Before we finish today's episode, we just want to say a big thank you to all of you listening.
Yes, thank you for spending your time with us and learning English with Happy English.
If you enjoyed this episode, please make sure to subscribe to the Happy English channel.
And don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps our channel grow and helps more learners find these lessons.
And share this episode with your friends who are also learning English. Let's learn together.
Exactly. Learning is always better when we do it together.
Keep practicing a little every day.
Stay consistent.
And don't be afraid to speak English in real life.
We believe in you.
This is Lila
And Tom.
from Happy English.
Take care, keep learning, and goodbye, everyone.